Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. I had a client ask me how to do a thread post on X because, as we know, links are becoming less and less effective in the algorithm. You still can put your links in, but you got to start with the text post first. So I wanted to show an example of that, and I wanted to share this particular blog post, and I think I'm going to just copy this part of the text here. So this is going to be my first post. So you hit the post button. Remember, it's post, not tweet anymore on X, not Twitter. Trying to do this for 2025 so that we all on the same page. So this is the text, which I'm going to break up a little bit more because people like to scan text. If you have a whole bunch of text with nothing there, it can be a little difficult. So I'm going to use one emoji here. Even emojis now are not as effective. There's nothing there for kid. What if I do children, child? I bet it's child. Here we are. Let's see which one of these looks the best for possible teenager. We'll put this particular one here. Okay. And so this is the text of the first post that I'm going to put in. So you hit the post button. And as you can see, only the first part of this shows up, which is good. That shows the algorithm. You've got a lot of information there. You click the next button, like as the reply button. Add another post. So you hit reply, and when you do it on your own, it comes up, add another post. Read more. I'm going to put read more on Inspire to Thrive because you want to promote your branding. That's very important in a lot of different ways, but you want to get the branding there. And I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to hit the post and put a space because that way the image will come up. And so you got read more on, and that's it. That's a thread with 2. Now it looks like this came after this, but let's go to my profile. And as you can see, it shows 1, and then it's got the arrow down, 2 with the link. So that's the first post. That's the second post. That's how you do what they call threads. You could continue on. Have you seen your kids being bullied on social media? I'd love to hear your story here. There's another one. So now let's go back to the original one, which is this one. You click there. You can see there's this one. And there's that one. If I go back to the profile, you might see it a little bit better. Yeah, when you click on the first one, you see how you got the first one, and then it goes down to the second one and down to the third one. So those are threads that you can do. Some people number them. You could number 1, 2, and 3 as you're doing them, A, B, C, etc. But that's how you can get a little bit more traction with your posts on X today because of the linkless posts on all social media. You may have noticed it. I've asked people that don't even use social media. I said, yeah, I noticed they always put the link in the comments on Facebook or on LinkedIn. That's the reason, because if they don't, your content gets pushed down on the algorithm and no one will see it. I hope this has been helpful and that you've learned how to do threads, multiple tweets, posts, no more tweets. Got to keep saying that, posts on X. Thank you. Have a great day.